Hey my loves, good to have you here. I made this crochet hairstyle using braid extension, and if you want to see how I achieved this look, you want to watch this video to the end. I used 3 packs of this coily braid extension, and this is what it looks like straight from the pack. The first thing I did was make my cornrow base for installing the hair. So what I did was to part my hair at the center, and then I cornrowed the front section to both the left and the right side. For the back section, the cornrow went all the way to the back, and I repeated exactly what I did on the right side for the left side of my hair. The cornrow is complete here, and this is what it looks like. To install the hair, you place your crochet pin just underneath the cornrow. You place the hair in the hook. You lock and you pull out through the other side. You pass the tail of the hair through the loop twice, and then you stretch out. Now I'm just going to repeat the same process to cover the entire area of the hair. Over to the front section of the hair, I repeated the same process to install the hair. Now, because my hair is parted at the center, my direction for installing the hair would be towards the left and right. What I mean is that for the right side, I install the hair to fall towards the right, and then on the left side, I install to fall towards the left. At this stage, the installation is almost complete, but I had to install more hair at the center area so that the part at the center doesn't look too wide. This is the result straight up after installing. Next, I went ahead to moisturize the hair with my Cantu leave-in conditioner. You definitely cannot separate me from my Cantu leave-in. After moisturizing the hair, I went ahead to apply this Shockwaves hair mousse from Wella to seal the curls. After sealing the curls, I trimmed the hair for even length. This is my final look, and I was pleased with the result. Even with no makeup on, this hairstyle still looked very good. I tried both center and side part style and both looked very good. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle, and I hope you found this video useful. Do not forget to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.